Hey guys, it's Savage Tech here today, and this is an interesting product. This is a Samsung Chromebook, and I got this for $17 on eBay, saying it had issues. I thought it was just a dumb issue, or maybe I had to replace the storage, but turns out that's not the case, and that is the error I'm getting. Now, a common solution for this actual error is to do the power on and off with the 30-second trick. And that did not work for me. I actually put it under a voltage meter, and it turns out my internal storage is dead. So now I'm going to transition to the internal storage and show you my issue there. A little word of warning when you're working with used laptops, especially parts laptops, watch out for the past, or whoever worked on it in the past. Sometimes they screw things up. So if you look at that, compared to, let's say, that, obviously there's a huge difference. Basically, what happened was the previous person who worked on it stripped the screw, and I ended up having to take a electric power drill and just literally just cut it out. So, other than that, let's get to taking this thing apart. So taking one of these things apart is real easy. It only takes about 15 screws, and it's pretty damn easy to do. So this is all a Chromebook really is. Now let's get off this heatsink and look at the motherboard. So now I'm stuck with an interesting choice. I know for a fact this has a bad storage, which it's those sticks right there. And I know the issue. Let me turn on autofocus. But on the other hand, I could learn how to fix this, and I could source a memory chip. On the other hand, I could just buy this motherboard for $15. Now, I have looked up the numbers, I know the colors look weird, but that's the camera. This is indeed the same motherboard as that, and this would save me quite a bit of time, and honestly, from a profit margin point of view, it would be good. But on the other side, from a more I want to learn point of view, this would be the better choice to repair this. So I'm going to go show you some storage options. I'll keep looking into it, and I'll get back to you. Hey guys, so it's been 4 or 5 days since your last video clip on this Chromebook, but my replacement motherboard did arrive. Here's the old one. And it's in, and I was supposed to install setting it up, but I didn't do that because I didn't think about it. So I'll, finish this up, and you'll at least be there for when I test the power. So, thanks to the wonderful public school system, I now have some donor keys. What a surprise. Hey guys, just finishing up the Chromebook video, and here we see she's working quite well, and I've been using her for a couple days, and she's great. I'm probably going to overlay pictures of the Samsung Chromebook on eBay and such if I actually edit this. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming up, and hopefully I'll get it done. I got this 2010 MacBook here. It is a was the high-end 2010 version, and it needs a new keyboard, but other than that, it's in really good shape. So, this is I'm going to be working on this one. I got a 2007 MacBook downstairs that I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet. I'm probably going to part it out, but don't know. I recently picked up a broken touchscreen laptop that I'm going to be going on a journey with you guys and learning how to fix it. And I have a couple other things, like I'm working on my test bench at the moment to get it ready to go, because once I leave for college in August, I'm going to have a system there, so at least if someone needs to print something or something downstairs, there is a system that works. And I got a few other systems that I don't feel like talking about, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning and my brain's fried, so I'm going to get some sleep. But nonetheless, I got a lot of exciting things coming up, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the really shitty microphone, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'm going to be leaving a list in the description, and that is all my extra parts at the moment. If you are interested in any of them, please hit me up in the comments section or just email me. I'll leave my email there. We can talk. Yeah. Hope you liked the video. If you didn't like it, well, that sucks. But if you did, leave a like, favorite, and subscribe, and I just repeated myself. Hey guys, so I'm just finishing up the video. So this computer sold on the 13th of March. It is currently the 18th of March as of recording this. And I made $7.50 profit off it. Now, right now in the comments section, you may be thinking, wow, Savage, look at you, terrible, making little to no profit. Hey man, profit is profit. And I did learn quite a bit from this, I guess, adventure of fixing this Chromebook. And if you'll see in the rest of my upcoming videos, um, it's the easiest of my worries and projects, really. So, a lot of exciting things coming up, as well as the fact that, um, well, this you are going to be seeing some very interesting things, and yeah. Anyway, guys, so this is Savage Tech, which it will be Tech Explained after this batch of videos is done. And whatever you think, leave a like, favorite, and subscribe.